Wednesday, April 29th, and it's another busy day at the shop. Gary's cutting some metal to repair the dashboard. This was pretty beat up, so he's trying to pound out and fill in some of the dents before we get the gauges going, reinstall that. This is what I was working on today, cleaning all the shit out from the frame rails before Gary has to crawl underneath and weld in the last piece of the floor. And when I was cleaning up underneath here, I noticed that both sides where the axle goes through the frame rail is cracked. So I had to take the burr and clean those out so that Gary could come and re-weld those, because it's right on the back wheel and you definitely don't want those to fall off when you're cruising. I cut out the last plate that goes in here, and we'll have to notch out for the track tensioner plate right here to make a little cutout so that the plate can make it up past that and we can weld it to the frame. Okay, I finished drilling the brackets that hold the front bumper on, and now Gary is just gonna tack on bumper, and we might come back to that later. The thing about building a bumper this way is there's only 6 bolts that'll hold that on there. You take them out, you can take the whole thing off if you have to screw around with anything behind it. And we'll need it out of the way when we go to put that front sheet on over where the hood has to go. Yeah, if they gussets them. Yeah, if we put gussets in, sure. They could probably get away with hitting a small moose or something now. Unbolted the bumper and flipped it up, so now Gary can finish the back side of the brackets. And then that front bumper will be done. And as soon as we get the back floor in, we can finish our second bumper. I already welded the bumper part for it. I'm not sure. Oh, there it is. I already welded this one up too yesterday, so we just have to do the same thing, make 3 brackets. Oh, and then we're going to weld hitch receivers under the front and back of the bumper. While we're waiting for our hitch receiver material to get cut in the bandsaw, I'm cleaning up the back door here. We're going to put those weld-on hinges on, and you can see somebody had attempted repairing this in the past. There's all sorts of bird shit welding all underneath it, and you can see how uneven everything is. So I'm going to take the zip cut and square all this up. And they didn't have J-hooks in there before. You'll notice these slots they had welded up. They had door hinges that slid in here, and then they were welded down in here behind. So that was a pretty good trick.
I don't know how you're supposed to take them off.
Well, you just pound the hinge pins out. It's way smarter than you think, Gary. It was a really good trick. But yeah, that's what I'm working on right now.
Thursday, April 30th, and I can hear a lot of sanding going on. I can see Aidan's got his half mask on, and the big door's open, and the back door's open for getting some air. So must be trying to get off some of that old paint, and we're going to check in with these guys right away. And you can see that they've got the grinding pad here, and now that the floor's in, at least the Aidan's got something to stand on, and you can see all the damage. Right from here you can see where all the holes are, and they gotta probably put in another plate back in behind there. You deal with
what
the
happened here is the guy didn't sand the rust.
painted over everything.
Our body putty right over.
Okay.
So we put patches all the way around.
Okay. So this is a long, shitty task, but it's got to be done. Can't just repaint over the other guy's problems. Aidan, what do you think?
I think I almost had to fire your dad today.
Uh-oh, what happened?
Well, I started scraping all this cancer out.
Yeah.
I said, don't worry, we're going to put paper mache on that.
Oh,
And
okay.
If it's not paint, it'll be good.
Yeah.
I said, just you wait.
Wallpaper, though. Okay, yeah.
And then he was trying to form a union, and
Holy
it was
shit,
split
no
50.
unions around here.
No, it didn't pass. It was 50-50.
Oh, okay, so you need 2/3 majority. What do the little dogs say? Nothing or
No,
abstain?
she doesn't want. She's not involved in politics.
Okay. So they got the floor in. That would have been tacked in today, right?
The floor?
Yeah.
No, just that back piece. That was all we had left to do for the floor.
Okay.
And then your dad wanted to fit the door to see where we can put our
Right. Yeah.
bumper brackets.
Okay, but underneath though, you only tacked it yesterday. You got it welded all the way through now, or what?
Okay, this is what
No.
happened
I
today.
don't think so.
We blocked it up here.
Yeah.
We welded it with 220 pound, like real strong
Yeah.
wire, right? Then we rolled this up and welded it here and here and then pounded all this across. So that's done.
Okay.
Next was the lady working on that stuff. These were broke out,
Oh, right. Yeah.
4 of them, so they're all welded now.
Okay.
I didn't shine them right up because the weld is thick, so it should be better.
Okay.
And then we're going to jack it up, pull this stuff off.
Okay.
We need to pull those off. These are both seized on either side.
Both.
Yeah. Right here.
Okay.
Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it might have settled out. No. There's no tensioner in there. It's
Yeah.
sitting on the wheel.
Really?
It's not sitting on the blocks at all.
Wow.
And just the rust factor is holding that up.
Wow. Okay.
They might be a fucking pain in the ass to get off.
Well, you know what? The customer's lucky that this is what he decided, because otherwise he would have figured this out real quick.
Well, I must be.
These are seized, plus they're cracked.
Yeah.
So, but I ordered 2 of them.
Good.
If they're done.
Okay.
So, everything.
So this is what it looks like on the other side here, guys. Once you start removing the bondo, this is the big holes that they get. And once Aidan starts removing more of that, you'll start seeing more. But this is all the little test patches, like that's got to be fixed there. And
We're gonna have to put those plates on
Yeah.
before we clean this up any further.
yeah, yeah,
We got to use all these holes as
Yeah.
templates for his trim too.
yeah. So, okay, so that's what it looks like on the inside here, guys. And I'm glad you're wearing your half mask. You don't need to be breathing that shit in. But yeah, another great day at the shop. Hi, Mila.
Didn't have breakfast.
No, oh, didn't know breakfast. We had treats though. Okay, let's get you some breakfast.
Shit welded. The ground was off. Level.
Yeah.
And then, of course, went right through because it wasn't level, so pinching and welding.
Okay. I think this is the rear bumper or the front bumper, one of them. But Dad likes to put in these heavy industrial bumpers just in case you hit something, but also if you have to tow. So I know that was yesterday's task. So these guys are going to continue welding and grinding and scraping and sanding here. I didn't get actually a chance to video yesterday because by the time I came in, I fed the dogs and then got to cleaning. By the time I was finished cleaning, and like it doesn't take long to fill a truck full of garbage around here, these guys were done for the day. They're done, like they were tired. So I just left it. So I didn't get to do, but Aidan actually caught some videos yesterday. So we'll include them in on this video. So the guys are just closing up the shop here today. Dad did some more welding on the back door here because it was separating, but it looks good now.
We're gonna put weld-on hinges on me.
Yeah.
So I gotta make sure this shit is off.
Okay.
He must have got a deal on body putty.
Yeah. So we're finding a lot of bondo and body putty here. So no sanding. Okay. Okay, well, that's it for today, guys. Emily has been on guard duty for the last couple of weeks. She's either at our gate or the neighbor's gate. She's on full patrol. She snuck in here for a quick treat. And then Mila's here. And then Charlie's down there with Yeti. So I don't know, she's getting weird, but there's coyotes out here. So I'm glad she's on patrol, but what a peckerhead. Come back here, you knucklehead. Oh God, it's so hot out. The dog's got to lay in the snowbank. Hey, oh God. Just need to roll around in the snow.